Yum. Seems like the less people we have for a challenge, the more official we get. The cameras. We got a cameraman. That's Zach, Mikey. You know who I am. Kirsten, and the camera guy, who never gets recognized, but we recognize him. Run 2 miles, eat 12 donuts, run 2 more miles. Puke after. Go!
Today, gentlemen, I'm an honor coach. It's more honor than you feel about it. But there's another honor that you bestowed upon me. And that is the mantle that comes with that question. Who am I? I am a champion! That's right, you need to remember that all through this game. I will conquer what has not been conquered. Defeat will not be in my creed. I will believe what others have doubted. I will always endeavor to hold esteem, honor, and respect in my team. I have trained my mind and my body will follow. Who am I? I am a champion! I will acknowledge the fact that my opponents do not expect me to win. But I will never surrender. Weakness will not be in my heart. I will look to my comrades and to those who have brought me to this world and those who have trained me, and I will draw strength from them. Who am I? I am a champion! I will gradually go out to the field of battle, and I will move in everything I can do. And I will reach my field of battle at any means at my disposal. And when I get there, I will ride violently. I will rip the heart from my enemy and leave it bleeding on the ground, because he cannot stop me. Who am I? I am a champion! To my side, I have comrades. Comrades that have been through me through thick and thin, through sacrifice, through blood, through sweat, through tears. Never will I let them fall. Never will I let them down. And I will never leave an enemy behind. Because our opponent does not know my heart. Who am I? I am a champion! No one will deny me. No one will define me. And no one will tell me who and what I am and can be. Belief will change my world. It has moved continents, it has moved countries, it has put man on the moon. And it will carry me through this battle. Who am I? I am a champion! Defeat, retreat, those are not in my words.
Nice job.
I don't understand those definitions. I don't understand when things go wrong. I don't understand mistakes. But I do understand this. I understand victory, and I understand never surrendering. No matter how bad things go, my heart, my mind will carry my body when my limbs are too weak. Who am I? I am a champion! Today will be that day. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now, right here, in your house and in your home. Who am I? I am the champion! History will remember me! I will not let worry about him being kind! I will define myself! I will write my own praises! And no one will tell me what I can never be! I will never go out not knowing I've given everything I've got! Because who am I? I am a champion! 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 I am a champion! I am a champion! I am a champion! Champions on me! Champions on me! 1, 2, 3! Champion! Go get these boys!
Yeah. So I see Chris's serious face coming on.
Like razors in my soul.
Some of you guys are actually doing this. By the way, I do not support this event. I'm here to watch you guys throw up. Let's be
Inch by inch, play by play, till we're finished. We're in hell right now, gentlemen. Believe me. And we can stay here, get the kicked out of us, or we can fight our way back into the light. We can climb out of hell. 1 inch at a time.
Okay. Last one. Where's Joseph?
Long story.
You'll have to post the excuses on
Short
the board.
version, he's a bitch.
The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that and that ain't you. You're better than that.
Here we go, Mr. Gregory.
Okay.
Going, holy smokes.
Come on. And you guys are your last one. And your last one.
He has to do a 9:30 pace. He's going a lot faster than 9:30 though. Jesus. What pace is that? 6:30?
92-second lap, bitch.
You're running a 6:30 pace. That's fucking crazy.
Over 92, just over 6 minutes.
Is it over 6? Yeah, 6. Yeah, 9. Oh God.
Oh, that's a runner. Holy smokes. I could never do that. Not even in my wildest dreams.
You're not supposed
Hurry up, you guys. Come on. He's about to come around again.
I'm not trying to beat it. I just want to beat the hour. Where? Sucks. In your legs?
No.
Oh, look at that. 89.
What? Negative splits?
I think maybe I'm delirious.
He's insane.
Oh. Oh.
Blow.
Any last words before you go?
2 words. Projectile vomiting.
All right. Make it happen. Oh, here comes Mr. Gregory again.
How can you run that fast with that much food in him?
I don't know. See, I couldn't even run that fast on an empty stomach. Oh, here he comes again. What's your time? Give it to us.
90.
That's what I ran my first mile in.
And here comes Mikey.
And a 33.
How much more you got left?
3 of them.
3 whole donuts?
3 bites.
Oh, 3 bites.
It's not gonna happen now.
What? It's gonna happen. Make it happen.
They have to run like a 6-minute mile. It's not gonna.
Oh, here he comes again. Chris, what's your
I have such a bad cramp.
what's your time?
Oh my God. 602. 602, bitch. Woo!
Whoa. Are you okay?
Yep. Okay.
What's your time?
92. Negative split.
Hold it together, man. You got this. Just 3 more bites. Run your miles however you need to run them. Oh my God, Chris Gregory, what's your time?
Total time. That was 88.
Hey, very nice.
Sub 12. I'm going for it.
49:20. 95.
Why is no one puking yet? That's what I want to know. Chris Gregory! Shit, looks like he's gotten faster. What's your time?
Can I catch him 2 laps?
What's your time? Nope. Never mind.
How does that work?
He's preoccupied. Oh my god! Oh my god! Somebody's gotta get this. He's gonna pass him.
Not gonna pass him.
He's not gonna pass him?
You think
Yes, he is eventually. Maybe not before he reaches here though.
No. Maybe not. I think.
Oh no, Mike's sped up. Chris isn't gonna make it.
This kid's gonna be the best kid in the world.
Mike looked back.
This kid's gonna
You
be
see that?
somebody better than anybody ever knew.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
Uh-oh. Oh no! He's closing
Never
it.
let somebody tell you
Chris Gregory's closing it.
you can't do something. You got a dream, you gotta protect it.
Oh my goodness! Mike!
People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it.
Mike, what's your time?
Keep him back. Keep him back.
You want something, go
Run,
get
Chris, run!
Fast,
Run!
fast, fast,
Bring the bar.
fast. Last night I cut the light
Go,
off
go,
in the
go!
bedroom,
Oh my
hit
gosh.
the switch, was in the bed before the room was dark. Incredible. Fast. Incredible. And you, George Foreman, all of you chumps are gonna bow when I whoop him. All of you. I know you got him. I know you got him.
Oh
picked.
my
But
God,
the man's
here
in
it
trouble.
comes.
I'm gonna show you how great I am. I'm gonna show you how great I am.
Oh, there
I
it is!
firmly believe that any man's
Oh my
finest
god!
hour, the greatest fulfillment of all that he holds dear, is that moment when he has worked his heart
Wow.
on a good cause and lies exhausted on the field of battle, victorious.
Holy smokes. Was that 2 miles? Holy shit. How much more?
91. 3 more laps.
How did you manage to run a 12 on that?
No, I ran 11:26. My last mile was 5, like 28, 5:30 something.
How do you do that?
How many more laps? 6 or 7?
7.
Good job. Keep going.
95.
20.
Freaking hour?
Hurry up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Finish it strong.
91, 95, 90.
Go,
Run,
Mikey.
run, run.
Come on, sub 90. Let's see it. Come on, Zach. Good job, dude. Keep going. How you feeling? Can you keep that?
Probably.
Woo, look at him go. Oh, look at that stride. I think you're sweating glaze.
Come on, Mikey. Everyone's watching. There you go. Look at him.
Yeah. Oh, he's picked it up. He's picked it up quite a bit. Come on, faster.
Joe, all the way, all the way.
All the way. Finish strong.
Awesome, dude.
Nice. What was that?
So, what should we take away from this? The donuts was a lot harder than we thought.
Yes. The run was kind of easier.
Run was
for me.
not bad though.
The donuts, you gotta be really good at eating and running. And running while eating.
You have to be really good at you should burn your taste buds before the challenge. Drink hot coffee.
Yeah,
just
you don't
burn
feel
them
it.
all and don't even taste it.
Burn your esophagus.
I'm just glad someone else showed up besides us.
Yeah.
It's always us, you know. Come on, Zach. 2 more.
I got 1 or 2 left.
You got 2. I think he hates life right now.
Yeah, I think he hates everything right now.
I'm like this.
All right, good job. Very nice.
You hate us.
Do I stop lunch?
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Hell no.
Hell no.